With the new KD ratcheting puller, pulling is as easy as pick it up, ratchet, pull. When it comes to pullers, technicians need speed, strength, and access. Speed. The ratcheting puller from KD is the easiest to use and quickest puller available. No longer do you need your coworkers or buddies' help to install a puller. With the ratcheting design of the new KD ratcheting puller, the jaws will stay in place instead of flopping around, so you can position them and keep them there. No more messing with pins and nuts which could be dropped or get lost. The special keyed pins on the jaws of the KD ratcheting puller keeps them in place while pulling, making removal and replacement a breeze. And the quick change feature really makes the job easy. Whatever you are pulling, the KD ratcheting puller is only 15 seconds from being ready for the job. The KD ratcheting puller even beats the closest competition on the market for quick change pullers. Theirs is fast, but not fast enough. Strength. Hot forged components gives the jaws the strength you need and the access you require. Our jaws are heat-treated high alloy steel that offer the best strength and safety of any puller on the market. Just watch this load test on our 5-ton version. That's over 7 tons. Access. Thanks to our extra strong jaws, you can offer something the competition can't. Thin cross-section jaws for access to hard-to-reach bearings, gears, and pulleys. Just look at this side-by-side comparison next to our competition. The KD ratcheting pullers also quickly change between a 2 and a 3 jaw configuration. The new line of KD ratcheting pullers provide all the great speed, strength, and access features, plus anti-mushrooming heads and changeable load screw tips, all in a 2, 5, or 7-ton size. Also available are 2 convenient kits, a blow-molded set of the 2 and 5-ton puller and the popular 5-ton puller with 2 sets of legs for regular and long-reach capability.